is Lacosta and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a case that I bought from Casetify. So if you want to see my new case, then just keep watching.
I did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. I haven't opened it, you guys. I had to hurry up and get on here so that I can unbox this for you guys, with you guys. You know, just be a little transparent. So, I don't know what this is, but this is something that came in the box, you guys. I think it might be a cleaning kit. Yep. Some cleansing wipes that came in the box. To our Casetify fam, stay safe with Casetify Protects in these tough times. We're sending along sanitizing wipes to help you keep your tech germ-free. We're all in this together, and Team Casetify is here to help you in our global community. Stay connected on social for more tips and to share how you're protecting your tech with Casetify Protects. The case comes in this little packaging, you guys. And look at it, so pretty. So I got the pink case, you guys. It's the pink bumper, and it has my name on it. I really bought it because I was feeling like the Casetify around like the lens that I love that. So just a little facts. Let's go to their website so I can alright. So I want to give you guys some insight onto these cases. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I bought the iPhone 12 Pro case, and it's basically designed for self-expression, engineered for protection. Never be scared to drop your phone again. 6.6 feet drop test with ultra slim design, made with QE Tech, or proprietary shock absorbing material. Defensify antimicrobial coating eliminates 99% of bacteria. Wireless charging capabilities, customizable with a mammogram or initials, 50% recycled materials, plus 100% recyclable packaging printed with eco-friendly ink, compatible with MagSafe. So drop it, we dare you. Our innovative shock-proof material, QE Tech, practically begs you to drop your phone and put it to the test. Every detail is fine-tuned to create optimal protection and superior impact resistance in an ultra sleek and slim phone case. MagSafe compatible. Keep your iPhone 12 charged and protected effortlessly with our latest cases. And then you have all kind of options, you guys. You got all kind of colors you can pick from, cases you can pick from. You can personalize it. It's antimicrobial, 50% recycled materials. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the case on, shall we? So I think I want to clean it up first. So I'm going to take one of these wipes and I'm going to clean the screen of my phone. That is so cute. Now I don't have to worry about my phone falling. I can sit it down. I have been sitting my phone on boxes, you guys. I have been sitting my phone on boxes to keep my lens, you know, secured and Make sure there's no scratches and stuff. So yeah, I am so happy. And then with this case also, just as well as any other case on the website, this case is $60 with free shipping, you guys. But you also can use Klarna, which you get to do 4 interest-free payments of $15. So if you don't have the $60, like you don't got the 60, you know, you got $15. That's what you got. You got $15? Go ahead and order this. Order this with your Klarna. 4 easy payments, $15 instead of $60 all at once. Whichever floats your boat. Now, if you ballin', go ahead and spend that $60, okay? But if you not, hit Klarna up, and hit Klarna up. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to come on here and unbox my new case, you guys. I am so in love. It came out just the way I wanted it to come out. You know, I wanted the pink with the gold and then the pink writing. I'm in love. Yay. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my case. If you are interested, hit them up. I will leave the website link on the screen so you can just hit them up. If you have not heard of them, I don't know where you've been. You must have been under a rock or something, because they are everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, they're all over the place. So if you have not done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, you guys. Leave me a comment below. Have you tried this case? Have you seen this case? Are you interested in this case? Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.